Lezi thandani uDarren Wilkins noNothiona Motley zibhekene noxhaxha lwamacala ahlanganisa ukushushumbisa imali nokutholakala nezithombe zezingane ezinqunu. Inkantolo inqume ukuthi ukudedelwa kwalezi thandani kuzobeka engozini ukuphepha komphakathi kuphinde kuphazamise nobulungiswa.
The use of children as subjects of pornographic material is very harmful to both children and society, and referred the case to the court to the case of the Derrick versus Director of Public Prosecutions, WLD.
Uphiko lwezokushushisa iNPA lusamukele isinqumo sokunqatshelwa ibheyili kwabasolwa.
We have raised a number of issues, amongst them that they are a flight risk, that it would undermine public confidence in the criminal justice system if they were to be released on bail. Also, that there exists the likelihood that they will try and destroy or conceal evidence.
Kusenjalo, inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli isihlehliselo lwesihlanu oluzayo esigcawu sokulalelwa uqulwa kwecala lomlisa owavuma ukuthi uyena owashisa isakhiwo esiseMarshalltown uSindiso. uSthembiso Mdlalose waboshwa nyakenye ngemuva kokuvuma ukushisa lesi sakhiwo nokwaholela ekushoneni kwabantu abangama-76 kwathi amakhulu abantu asala dengwane. Umsolwa ubhekene namacala angu-76 okubulala nangu-68 okuzama ukubulala. Ngakolunye udaba kuzoqhubeka mhla zingama-20 kwephezulu ukulalelwa kwesicelo sebheyili somfundisi uXolani Mbeka waseKhayelitsha eWestern Cape osolwa ngamacala amathathu okudlwengulwa, ukuzama ukubulala nawukushaya. Lo mfundisi oneminyaka engu-50 ubudala usolwa ngokudlwengula abesifazane abasebancane ebandleni lakhe. Umsolwa utshela inkantolo ukuthi uyagula. Umbuso uyasiphikisa isicelo sebheyili somsolwa.
Ilele kuye abonakalisa inkundla ukuba ufanele ayifumane ibheyili. Okwangoku asikayifumani lonto leyo. Kodwa ke isicelo sebheyili sisaqhubha, sisezayo kwi-victim yesine yokudlwengula, yokudlwengula, sibe neyozanyo yokudlwengula, sibe neyokuhlatywa nokubethwa. So ityala lisaqhubha.
Umsolwa usagcinwe esitokisini.